Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the MKT software to automatically spread advertising comments across Facebook groups. Here is the software interface. First, we need to prepare the Facebook accounts that the software will use. Next, prepare the content you want to comment. This will be your product or service promotion. Once your content is ready, go to the comment feature and choose comment by group. Select the preset content, then enter the list of group UIDs you want to comment on. After filling in the list, click Save Data. Then, set up all the parameters on the right side for the software to operate properly. After you've completed the settings, content, and group list, click Start to begin. The software will then start running and use the prepared accounts to automatically post your comments across the selected Facebook groups.